Well, well, well.
Grab the tire pressure gauge and check the tire pressure.
Well, that's a sick ass intro. Anyways, we finna go take the coupe out. We got the battles on. Yeah, yeah. And we finna go out, kill this shit. Hey, we at the spot. We're gonna have Augie film. Hopefully he doesn't miss any shots because he'd be forgetting. We got Trey over here, Coda smoking clouds. We got Mr. Walk out here. Mr. Walk, you better be careful not getting in the way, bro.
We're out here.
Anyways,
We got some left.
hell yeah. For real, look at him.
Alright, we're gonna have some fun.
Alright, Augie, you better kill it.
Forget about the graphics.
I'm struggling on second gear. Yeah, let me go faster.
You still gonna do the same thing and try to run that line we were doing last time, or what?
Let me get a little more warm up and then I'll do that. alright. What's up? They feel good.
Feel better than before?
Yeah, way better, bro.
Do you want me to try to stop sipping the rear a little bit?
Yeah, let's try. Alright, we're gonna stiffen up the rear suspension a little bit, see how it feels. We gonna let oh shit, let the car cool down. Let Trey do some runs. That was mobbing though. That, do you see me using the angle? Oh, whew. Let's park this over here. Oh yeah. Alright, we got my boy Trey about to hit some donuts. We got Mr. Walk. Oh shit, he mobbing. Get it, Trey. Yeah, Trey.
It's better for you to get the feeling of fucking going. Well, now I'll pay attention now.
Pay attention to how he lets off the gas and then gets back on it as he transitions.
Okay.
I taught him that, remember Dean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I was fucking up. Like, my timing's really bad. You have your phone?
No, that's cool. I got the GoPro from there. Okay. I just want to see if I wanted to.
Round two.
That's good.
Round two.
Yeah, my shifter broke yesterday. I was going home and I went to shift them first and like it cross threaded.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so they just be spinning. I gotta be careful. That's why I'm in second gear. Yeah, it just went on me. Try e-brake now.
It's pretty quick, fool.
Yeah, it's not bad. See, my e-brake didn't want to lock up.
Yeah. Mine feels way stiffer than yours.
Right there, I just got on it and it started going slip by itself.
Yeah.
It's pretty wet right there. Yeah.
And you keep getting like the wet, random wet spots so that it sticks on you. That's what it was doing to me. I'd get random wet spots and then I'd catch a grip.
Yeah, exactly. It's really patchy out here. And then I try to use my e-brake right there, but it sucks because I have to do my brake pedal, give it some, and then the e-brake. That's the only way I'll be able to lock it up.
Yeah.
My nigga.
That quick, you gotta be so quick on it.
You gotta be quick on it.
Yeah. I think I'm slow, but I'm like, it's like finding somebody quick and then you're a big dude, you know?
Yeah, I feel you on that.
That was solid.
Look at him showing us up. Oh, he's roasting them tires. Oh, he's gonna be mad.
Yeah. That is.
Hey Trey, this guy's out here showing us up, bro. He's in
I
the,
know.
he's in the turbo diesel.
Oh my god.
Hey, you're roasting them tires.
Am I?
Yeah. Oh, what was that?
Oh my god.
Hey.
This one is wild. This one is wild. That's so funny.
You should wait till it gets a little bit more wet.
Yeah,
That
bro.
was sick.
That was tight. That no lie now.
Oh, he's mobbing, bro.
I definitely suck at this drifting. I'm new to this, so I'm psyched on.
Oh, he's gonna initiate. He's gonna hit the Bernie. That is so much weight.
Oh my god.
Damn, crazy bobber. Goddamn Trevor Phillips. Send him back to Sandy Shores. This guy is wild,
He
bro.
said you could drift anything. Give me my stuff.
Hey,
This is my drift car now, you guys. Someone showed to the event in this.
for real.
Clearly you're doing just fine.
Damn, bobber.
Say, let it get a little bit more wet, bro.
How's that weight? That shit's hella heavy, ain't it, on that transition?
Dude, it's like.
Oh, hell no.
You're doing it good though.
Hey, he's hitting the Optimus Prime, but like.
It's like skipping a little
He
bit.
was transforming.
I tried to like dip it down and power out. I was like getting mad understeer in the front tires. Did you guys hear that? It was
Yeah, I can hear that. When you get full angle, you can hear it.
I was like, God.
Oh, that was hilarious, fool.
Alright.
Check me out, Twitch TV /
This
Go ahead,
guy
Sean,
over here.
Plug yourself, plug yourself.
This guy.
_cars / trucks.
Alright.
I'm just playing.
Plug yourself.
Augie has no social media at all.
He barely responds on Facebook.
I know.
Alright, guys, don't say anything. Don't say anything. Mr. Walk was in the coupe, okay? He was not in the turbo diesel. Huh, Mr. Walk? He's mad, bro. He wants to be home chewing his toys. Alright, so after a little chit chat, we're gonna go for a run. Hopefully, we get a little bit more angle, more consistent. I do want to learn how to use my e-brake a little bit more because it puts you right in like the good angle and slows you down a lot better and helps you control your speed with your boost. Because once your boost falls off and you try to get back into acceleration, it's a little slow. So I want to start using my e-brake, keep the RPM high, dump the clutch, and hold that angle, boy. You know we all about that angle, son. Yeah, I got a little too freestyled with it. Look, she got hella dirty. We gotta argue with the other angle, so we'll put that in. But over here looking at the SR20.
It's really not that hot. No. Honestly, I've had my RV hotter than this. Just idling in my fucking roadway.
Yeah, what I want to do, Trey, I want to get rid of the fans. I want to go back to the clutch fan, and then this guy from Japan, he's like SR God. He makes like a water pump pulley that like makes it better. I want to do that, and then go with the R33 fan shroud.
Yeah.
And I just have to trim the fan shroud a little bit more, but it'll help me with the cooling.
What if you did a...
Well, okay. Hey, let's all go to Japan in November. It's $800 round trip.
It's not that bad.
We'll get an Airbnb. Probably about
maybe next year.
$165 a night.
You still gotta
split that. Rent a car. What is that? Split that 4 ways. What? And then we'll get we can rent a drip.
Yeah, but what
if
Japan's the car?
If Japan's anything like Korea, it's hella cheap.
I heard it's really cheap. It's cheap, but the only thing that's expensive is there's a lot of tolls there. The tolls are really expensive. Patroni over here. Last time we were at this spot, you guys remember he was in his S14 killing it. Let's see what he got in stores. We got Borat. Hold on, let me get to the spot first before you run my ass over.
Oh, he stalled it. No.
Hey, turn the lights on too. Come on, boy, you forgot that shit got angle mods? God damn. That's way different power band from his S14, so don't roast him. Plus, he never gets to really drift this car, so hopefully he got it right here. Little baby flame. I think that was a flame. This shit used to spit some mad fireballs, but I switched my coil packs and my spark plugs, all of my ignition stuff, so it runs a little bit better. It was running really rich before. God damn, he got mad understeer. This one almost hit the damn truck. Better be careful, Augie. What the fuck was that? Oh, I shot off on him. Haha. Probably gonna let it do a little cool down lap. Yeah, it's really patchy out here. If you see, it was a thunderstorm earlier. Some spots are really dry, some spots are really wet. So when you hit that dry spot, you just wanna get that e-brake, hold that angle, get back down on it, hit that, dump that clutch while you're stuttering. Let's go back over there. I know, huh? I'm telling you. Fucking, that shit shut off on you, didn't it?
Over there.
Like you went for the e-brake, right? And that shit shut off?
No.
Oh, you didn't?
That was good.
Yeah,
I was getting to lock up a little bit. I got understeer.
I seen that. I seen that understeer you did right there. I thought you were gonna hit that little truck.
Oh,
I was like, you sketch. I was like, you sketch. Fuck. You approve though?
Yeah, that shit's awesome.
Hell yeah. Shit. Probably let Mr. Trey do a little couple more runs. I kind of want to hit up that other spot too, way. This guy, bro. Alright, so that is Bobby, the guy that was drifting the turbo diesel. So he's a lot better than all of us, but this car is way different than his setup. So we'll see what he got. And this guy likes to take it to the limits, though. So. Oh, it's gonna do a man line. Hi guys, we're in the American car. Oh no, he's getting right into it. Oh shit. Okay. Clutch kick it, snap it hard, and then hit the clutch kick. There you go. Power.
Okay. Well, I need to be. That was too much first gear.
Hold it. Hell yeah.
Kinda. I was trying to listen to you, and then I was just looking straight at the trailer. I was more freaking out in my mind, but I wasn't panicking. You know what I mean?
Yeah, so when you're like that, you can hit the e-brake and then shift to first and then hit the...
I never use the e-brake, so
Oh yeah, it
I
doesn't
don't know how to
work.
do that shit.
Hit it. Remember to get that flick.
So
Hold it. Gas. Oh, I see what you mean. Let's get it.
what are you initiating in? Like what? Yeah, I hella got understeer like a bitch right now.
What do you mean what I initiated?
Like what gear?
I'm in second.
Okay, let me try.
I'll just be
second.
mobbing. There you go.
That was second. Installed it. Alright, let's try it again. You be doing it in second?
Yeah. Freestyle it. Oh shit.
See all that water?
Yeah. God damn, this boy is wild. Oh, too much drip.